Yeah, this is what happens when you have a slum landlord. Place got flooded again. Second time. In 2 months. Landlord nowhere to be found, but he sure could tell us that. This is the reason. See that? Yeah, I'm not a very good cameraman, so, but let me reverse this. And this is why. Like that? How do you like that? How do you like that? Shark bites. Everything's shark bites. And he's a plumber. Yeah. Well, all this. Everything ruined. Once again. So now we get the lucky. Alright, now this is video from earlier. Now that the pipes, because the furnaces, we had to turn the gas on once again because the gas always goes out here, which we didn't know when we rented this. But now all the pipes, water's running. If you noticed earlier,
Ice hanging out of it.
there was ice hanging out of it. Now you got water dripping out of it. There's the fitting sitting on the ground that blew out because it was shark bite or compression fitting. Over here, shark bite. Shark bite, shark bite, shark bite. And he calls himself a plumber. Needless to say, he had a heater in here, but he took it out to take it up front because somebody up front didn't have heat. So his way of fixing the heating problem, because the gas was off, was putting our heater out of here. So now this happens. Flooded again for the second time, which we were under the impression the water was shut off from the first time so it wouldn't happen again. At least that's what we were told. Yeah. Well, anyway,